thank you for tuning into the channel. We have an unboxing here today. This is the MacBook Pro. This is the newest, the latest, the greatest from Apple itself. It is the new M1 applesilicon chip with the 8 gigs of the RAM right here where it says, and the 512 of the solid state drive on this bad boy. You know we gotta crack this bad boy open, and we're gonna crack her open right here, right now, on this video. Let's get this going. Get this seal opened up, guys. Damn, man. I'm just thinking about the money right here. You know me. You know me, guys. I'm about money. Always, the equation always has to total out to cash some way, somehow. Looking at this tab, it's cash. But I'm only gonna do this one for you guys. And here we are. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so here we have our MacBook Pro. We have our USB-C to C. What do we got under here? And we do got a charger for it, guys. This one is 61 watts. USB-C. We do have a charging brick included, which is very rare in today's day with Apple. So that's this stuff, guys. Let's just check it a little bit. What does it come with? Let's see. MacBook Pro. Oh wow, you get actual chromed out Apple stickers. So you get that. You get your little how-to, your little thing, and then that's it. You know what? Here we go. Get that out of the way. We'll keep that there. Alright. Now this is the moment. The last point of no return for cash value, full cash value. Right here. MacBook Pro. Oh, did I just hear that classic Apple noise? Hold on a second, guys. Hold on. We gotta turn this off again. Hold on. Here, I'm gonna zoom this in. I'm gonna turn up the mic. Hold on. We're hearing this noise. And you know me, I'm about Damn, it makes the noise again. Oh man. This is very long unwaiting for the noise. The Apple noise. That is long behold. I remember my 2008 MacBook Pro made that noise. So we're gonna set this up, guys. I'm gonna go through the setup. And then after this, we'll be right back. I'm gonna do a quick little time lapse. Alright guys, she's loaded. This is her right here. And let's see here, we'll go about Mac. We'll zoom it in here for you guys real quick. Just so you can see, it is the new one. Running the Big Sur applesilicon M1. guys, I ran the Geekbench test. I already downloaded it, got it going, and I will put the results right here. This is Geekbench results for the silicon. It's actually pretty good, guys, pretty damn good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put each laptop in comparison. So this is the new one. So I'm going to put that aside now. And then this is the Lenovo Verizon 5G millimeter wave with the Snapdragon. This is its Geekbench test, 701 on a single core and 2901 on a multi-core test, which the applesilicon still wins at 1699 single core and 7533 on a multi-core test. So now I'm going to bring my other MacBook, the Intel version. It's a MacBook Air, and this one scored on the single core 771 and 1590 on the multi-core for the Geekbench. So there you have it, guys. As you can see, applesilicon is good. The keyboard on this computer is a lot better. It has more travel compared to my Air that's more of the butterfly. Even though the new one's still kind of a butterfly effect, it's still good. It feels more comfortable, and it feels like more of the problem with like the D, the F, the J, and the K are more smoother than they were with the full butterfly. And of course, you know, we got the touch bar as always. I mean, the only thing would be nice if it was a touch screen like the Lenovo, but it is what it is. Thank you for tuning in, guys. I appreciate you coming in for this unboxing of this laptop. Have a great night and take care. Peace.